cousins, so in this video we're gonna get a little bit country with it. I'm gonna share a recipe that I made a lot, and I still make it a lot, but I made a lot during the hard times because it is super affordable, it's easy to make, you don't need a whole lot of ingredients, and did I mention it's cheap, y'all? We're making neck bones again, but not the one y'all liked last time, okay? Not the one with the gravy and potatoes. In this video we're gonna make barbecue neck bones, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to make it in the Instant Pot because a lot of y'all love the Instant Pot right now. However, you can also bake this recipe. You can use your oven, you can do it on the stovetop, or you can use your CrockPot, okay? So it's super, you can do a lot with it. So first off, I have my neck bones in here. I washed them off camera because y'all don't need to see all that stuff. I mean, it's nothing interesting, okay? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take an onion. So I'm using a purple onion. You can use a white or you can use a yellow. Heck, you can even use green, okay? Whatever y'all have on hand, that's what I want you to use. And now we're just going to set that to the side. And I have my pot or my dish here. You can use a mixing bowl or you can put everything inside your pressure cooker now. I'm gonna put it in here just so y'all can see everything, okay? Let's empty the neck bones in here. Again, I washed them off camera. What you want to do is get some apple cider vinegar. That's the first thing I'm going to add to it. Okay? I'm going to get my little utensil over here. You want to make sure the apple cider vinegar is all over the neck bones. And I mean, neck bones are so cheap, y'all. You can get like 5 pounds of neck bones for probably $5. It's super cheap. The most important thing that you want to make sure you do is clean them. So all of the excess fat, remove it. All of the veins, get rid of it. You want to make sure that they're clean, okay? We are going to grab some seasoning salt. My seasoning salt has black pepper in it, but I'm still going to add more. So let's grab the black pepper. I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. If you don't want your spicy, you do not have to add these. It is not sprinkling out enough for me. So I am going to take off the top completely. You're going to need some liquid smoke because since, you know, we're not outdoors, you want to add that nice smoky flavor. And I'm using hickory. If you have a different flavor that you would like to use, you can do so. And I'm actually going to start adding my onions in there right now. So let me just break it on up in there. So what I like to do with mine, or should I say what I like to serve with my barbecue neck bones, is I usually serve it with rice and greens because, I mean, those are two cheap dishes, you know. Regular steamed rice, if you want to call that a dish, and collard greens or cabbage, depends on what you want to use. Look at those pretty onions, y'all. So you just want to make sure that you season it really well. That's the thing with neck bones. I almost forgot, y'all. I almost forgot. We want paprika. This is completely optional because paprika really just adds color. I'm using regular plain paprika, but since it is barbecue neck bones, if you have smoked paprika, girl, oh boy, go ahead and add that, okay? So let me just stir everything or flip everything. Flip it on up. All right, the last ingredient that we're going to add will be barbecue sauce. And we're gonna add that now because we're gonna put it in a pressure cooker. Once everything's in the pressure cooker, you're good, okay? So paprika, everything else. Now we got the barbecue sauce. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you wanna use. Y'all know what I did, right? I grabbed whatever was on sale. Or if I'm in a rush, I just grab the first thing I see as long as I know it tastes good. I'm just going to add the barbecue sauce all over that. Now, if you were to do this on the grill, you're not gonna add the barbecue sauce until the meat is completely done. But, you know, we're using a pressure cooker, so you can add everything now. Just make sure everything is well coated with sauce. You can use as much sauce or as little as you want. If you don't want sauce, I mean, it's not going to be barbecue neck bones, but if you don't want it, you don't have to. And more sauce, because I like it saucy. Might as well just use the whole damn bottle. And again, y'all, if you do not have a pressure cooker, what you can do is you can just put foil on your 9x13, that's what I'm using right now, and place it in the oven on 350 and let it bake for 1 hour. Bring it on out, test it, see if it is, you know, tender enough for you. If not, you're gonna let it bake some more, okay? So now I'm gonna grab my pressure cooker. Now it's time to load the pressure cooker. So I'm using an InstantPot, y'all. Nothing is in here. All I'm going to do is add the ingredients that were in my 9x13. Now, if you're going to do slow cooking, if you want to use your CrockPot, what you can do is set it on low and let it cook for 6 hours, and that should do the trick. And I'm gonna drop it. Oh, I made it, okay. Now I want all the onions. And I'm going to place this on. I am going to set it for 45 minutes. It's on regular heat and I have it on my meat setting. My vent is in the middle like it should be. It's locked, it's good to go. Now we can walk away and do whatever else we have to do. So, see y'all in 45 minutes. All right, so it has cooked for 45 minutes. I released the steam. Make sure you release the steam before, you know, anything else. Don't forget that part. And now, we have our neck bones. And they are falling off the bone, okay? So again, you can serve this with rice. You can even do potatoes if you want. Cornbread is always a winner. Beans, rice, whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plate it. I have my plate. If you want to add more color, you can actually place these in the oven for, you know, on broil for a couple of minutes so they can get like a little char mark. But you know what? It's summertime while I'm recording this. I'm lazy. It's already hot because your girl's cheap. She don't got no AC. So I'm not gonna do that step. So I'm just gonna go ahead, plate the neck bones, y'all. Yeah, they're falling off the bone. Again, this is only 45 minutes. I'm using pork neck bones, or I made pork neck bones. If you're one of those no pork on my fork people, go ahead and use beef. And you can actually use turkey necks as well. But this is what I made today. I'm just gonna continue to get this on out here. And, you know, I'm not gonna dig in the pot no more. I think you guys get, y'all get it. You see how good that is, right? So y'all know how I'm about color. I'm gonna just sprinkle some parsley flakes on top. That is zam, and we're good, y'all. Barbecue neck bones made in my InstantPot, or you can use whatever pressure cooker that you decide to use. Bomb. But you know what? Y'all see it falling off the bone. Look at that. It's literally falling apart right before your eyes. This is the piece I want. My mouth is watering. Here we go. It's a little hot. I will say drop the mic, but drop the fork. You good? Bomb. iHeartRecipes.com. Get the exact measurements. Okay. Don't forget to share this video with your friends on Facebook. If you're watching it on Facebook or on YouTube, there will be a link in my description box, y'all. But go ahead, try this, y'all. It's bomb. Cheap to make, easy to make, only 45 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to comment. Let me know what y'all want me to make next, and I will see you soon.